Guys, Kim here. Welcome to Backyard Blooms. In today's video, I'm going to share a new awesome tool that I got in the mail today. This is called the Mini Electric Chainsaw, and this is the box that it came in. And Sacker asked me if I would demonstrate this tool, and I've never ever used a chainsaw in my life because I've always had my husband to do the things that I need to do. But I'm excited to, as a woman, be able to demonstrate this for you, and then later in the video my husband wants to use it to cut up another small tree out in our woods, so I'll take you along for that too. But anyways, I am going to demonstrate this tool by taking the canopy of this crepe myrtle up a little bit higher. So as your trees grow, this is the third year for this crepe myrtle, your tree grows, you're able to take the canopy up a little bit higher and higher. I have plants underneath this crepe myrtle that I would like to get sun, so I'm going to take this bottom layer of branches off with this new awesome chainsaw. So let me show you how easy and portable this chainsaw is. So this is what it comes with. And this, let me turn it around for you. You can see the blades of the chainsaw right here. I do not have my battery in for safety right now. And it has a safety feature right here that goes right over top the blades. And I believe they called this a baffle. And it has a safety button right here. So when you have this button on and you push the lever, that's when the chainsaw works. So you have to push in and hold here at the exact same time. Of course, you don't want your fingers around this blade at any time. And you also want to make sure that you wear the appropriate safety glasses too. So especially glasses, since you're going to be right at the area that you're going to be cutting. So they have 4 product selling points on the back of the box here. One is that it's a rechargeable electric chainsaw, so it comes with a battery that you can charge, and you do have to charge this before you do any use with this tool the very first time, and we have that in the garage charging. And then it says it's easy to carry, small, convenient, quick and easy to assemble. It only takes 1 minute to install, so yep, just pretty much take it out of the box. And then it's lightweight and portable. It only weighs 1.1 kilograms, which is about 2.2 pounds. So I'm in the USA, we use pounds. It can be used with one hand, and it's not easy to get tired over a long use. And it's not easy to get tired after long-term use. So you're able, this is light enough that if you use, for 30-40 minutes, that your hand's not going to get real tired. And it's a strong dynamic system. Sacker Mini Chainsaw adapts to a high-quality guide chain that has undergone deep quenching process to ensure smooth cutting. In addition, pure copper motor is used. It says it's very powerful and its cutting efficiency is higher and faster. So it comes with the chainsaw, it comes with the battery, and then it comes with lubricant that's in the box, and the instructions say that it's best to lubricate the chains before you get started, so we're going to lubricate the chains before we get started. And it comes with a couple of tools that you can take off the chain with if you need so, and another one to tighten up. So after our battery gets charged, we're going to get to cutting.
All right, so we have our Sacker handheld chainsaw, trim saw. So we're just going to show you how to operate it today. So a couple of quick things. One, comes with a small bottle of oil. And any chainsaw typically has either a reservoir or it's going to come with oil. And you need to oil the chain and the bar. So the chain is obviously what you would think, right? Like a bicycle chain, but it has teeth on it. The bar is the aluminum piece that it rides on. So you got metal on metal. So you just want to take a little bit of oil and just dab it on the chain right around the bar. Just try to get it in the groove a little bit. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's kind of shiny where the oil is now. So I just took a little bit right around the bar, in between the bar and the chain, and that'll lubricate it. Probably should do that each time you use it. I'm just going to wipe off the excess a little bit. Once you put the oil on, don't be surprised. It's going to keep the sawdust and some of that around it, but that's very soft. It'll chew through that, so it's not a problem. So now we're oiled, we're ready to go. We have our battery that it came with. It's already been charging in the garage, so we're just going to pop it in just like most power tools. Listen for the snap. Now it's in, I should be ready to use. So there's a trigger and a safety. Both have to be depressed to use it. So safety first, then trigger. Now I'm ready to cut. I have my safety glasses. I'll put those on before I cut. And I also have some leather gloves just to keep my hands safe. And we'll be ready to try it. Fast and easy. Just like it said, I have my gloves on, I have my safety glasses on. One-handed, safety, trigger, cut. It says specifically in the directions not to push the tool, right? So let the power tool work. It's got very sharp teeth. Let it cut. I think if you push too hard, one, you're gonna bind it up, or two, you push through and you could push the tool into something you don't intend to cut. Worked good. Just right before you hit the limb. So it should be running just right before. Don't put the chain into it, so let it get it running.
You can't really with that hand.
What do you mean you can't with that hand?
Good. Is that fine?
It's trim.
All right, so now we're going to do this one right here. All right, probably come over this way. Can you see the limb?
Yes.
I guess I can hold it like that too, right?
Yes. I would prefer, actually, most people hold it like that.
That's weird. You'd see me? You don't need to be further away?
No?
Alright, one more. Weird. Feels weird. Wow, that was easier. Alright, here we go.
Hold the branch up and show the thickness.
magnolia, and I'm just trying to give some room for this emerald green arbor vitae to grow along with this magnolia here. So I just trimmed some of those bottom limbs to make it look more like a tree form instead of a bush. And let me show you these cuts with the Saker mini chainsaw that we just used. Just cut these limbs with the Saker mini chainsaw, and let me get up close here to show you the cuts that we made with that chainsaw. So we cut some limbs here, right there, and there as well. Go ahead.
I mean, I don't know that I'd waste the battery, but if that's all you had.
So in the instructions, it shows that it'll cut up to 4 inches diameter. So right here we have 4 inches. So we're gonna give it a trial run on this limb.
That's what you don't want to have at. Got it.
All right, so it worked. It cut into a 4-inch diameter down tree. The wood's pretty inside, huh?
Cedar, yeah.
So in my opinion, it works great for trimming up small limbs and trees. It's convenient, it's light. I like that it just takes a battery, that it's cordless, and that it's something that I can use. But I do think you need to use with caution and use common sense when you're using this, because I feel like that with this blade, that if you get your hands too close to it, that you could harm yourself. But other than that, as long as you use safety and common sense, I think it works great. I want to give a big thanks to Saker Company for letting me try out their tool and giving a review. Thank you so much. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate so much if you would hit that subscribe button for me, and I'll see you in the next video.